right onto Valley of Fire Highway. Continue on Valley of Fire Highway for 1.5 miles.
Hey y'all, we're at Valley of Fire. Wait a minute, get my hand out of it. Let me get my hand out. We're at Valley of Fire State Park, y'all.
Okay.
Bruno's freaking out. We're gonna go see Elephant Rock. Y'all come along. You okay, Mrs. C?
Yes.
All right. Smile. You're on candid camera. Yeah, there's a throwback, y'all. Mrs. C! Bruno! It's a little breezy and chilly out here, y'all. Bruno's excited. There's my shadow. Hi, Shadow. My Peter Pan shadow. Let's see what you're doing.
Taking the pictures.
Hey, there's the intersection with the short trail. I don't think the long trail is actually that much longer. Elephant Rock. I just drove by, took a picture of this. More fun walking though.
It is more fun.
That's the Elephant Rock right back there, y'all. This is the pointed Elephant Rock. My hand's cold, it's in my pocket. There you go, Elephant Rock. Woo! Let's go get in the truck, y'all. Let's go. Look who I found, y'all. Probably easier. Yeah, probably not going to go down that way. Huh. I'm going to follow Mrs. C. Maybe she'll do a better job than me. And where y'all going? I guess so. She's up there somewhere. There she is. There's Mrs. C. Somehow I got to get up there to her. Is she talking to me or Bruno? Bedrocks, baby. I love these sandals. Not today. Not today. I found a little spot where there's no wind. A little bit of shade. Hopefully it won't mess with the video. But just letting everyone know. Oh, there comes the wind. We are at Valley of Fire State Park. Park near Overton, Nevada. This is our stop for the week. We're going to head to Valley of Fire West, disperse camping after we get done here. Find a place to stay for a couple of nights. Then we're going to head up north a little further, probably up into Utah. I think we're going to try and stay at the Lions Club campground at Milford for one night. But we wanted to stop at Valley of Fire, and I wanted to give you guys a look at what we got. I didn't do a lot of narration on this because the wind was atrocious. But this, we just came out of Slot Canyon back there. I forget how long Mrs. C told me this trail was. About 1.5 miles, not real long. I found a quiet spot, so I thought I would annoy you with my talking for a minute. Anyway, Valley of Fire State Park. There's camping, BLM, boondocking, whatever you want to call it, off-grid camping on both sides of it. So if the campground's full, trust me, there's plenty of places to park. You guys come on out. Mrs. C did a trail earlier. We did one together this morning. This may be the last one for the day. I don't know, we'll see. Lots of pictures. The trails are super well marked. Pretty well maintained. I mean, for as much as you want them maintained out here, you don't want them too maintained. You want them still rugged and kind of like that. Why do you think it's named Valley of Fire State Park, y'all? Hopefully this video won't turn out too long and boring. People that like this kind of stuff, I don't think it will be. Good morning, everybody. Morning, Bruno. Hey, look at my hat, y'all. It's cold. Cold for us. I mean, it's really not cold. It's like 39 degrees, but it's cold for us. So
it's cold.
It's cold.
36. It's cold.
Mama says it's 36, or Mrs. C says it's 36. So anyway, we're heading out of here. We spent the night at Valley of Fire West, BLM. It's a great big open space. There's lots of camping out here, lots of spots for lots of people. We opted for one night. We're going to go ahead and take off. We're going to do a long drive today. We're going to head up to West Wendover to the Bonneville Salt Flats.